Kaitlynn. I'm Alexis.
I'm Bella.
And today we'll be learning why you should always brush your teeth. You will need a glass cup,
Some Coca-Cola,
toothbrush and toothpaste, and a hard-boiled egg. Put the hard-boiled egg in the glass container and add some Coca-Cola. Fill it up to about right here. It's alright if the egg floats. Now you have to wait overnight, and we'll see you tomorrow for our results. Bye. So we lost our second footage, part 2 footage. So basically the egg, when you use the toothbrush and the toothpaste and you rub it, it gets all the cola off. And here it is basically. And so the science behind the turn is that egg acts like a enamel. I don't know how to say it. Enamel, yeah. And so when dirt or food gets on it, the toothpaste will act, and it will get all of the dirt off by the baking soda in the toothpaste. So yeah.